In this video, we're going to go through solving quite a difficult looking equation. Now this almost looks like a quadratic, so what could we do to turn it into a quadratic? Well, what we do is you can separate 2 to the power of 2x plus 1 into 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2x. The reason for that is because this is the same as 2 to the power of 1, and when you multiply indices where the base is the same, you add the powers, and 1 plus 2x will get you this power of 2x plus 1. Now why did we do that? Well, now we make it look like a quadratic because we take the middle term, 2 to the x, and we say let y equal 2 to the x, because then y squared would be 2 to the x multiplied by itself, so 2 to the x times 2 to the x. You add the powers together, x plus x is 2x, so it's 2 to the power of 2x, meaning you can replace 2 to the 2x with y squared. So now we have the first term can all be replaced with 2y squared, and then minus 5 lots of y, because we replace y with 2 to the x, minus 12 equals 0. Now this is a format that we're used to. We can focus on solving this for y, and once we solved it for y, we can replace y with 2 to the x again. So let's take it step by step. You multiply the first and the last number together, so 2 times minus 12 is minus 24. What two numbers multiply to give minus 24 and add to give minus 5? Well, they're actually minus 8 and 3. That's a positive 3, by the way. So then my method is a bit different, so if you know this method, you can use it too. But because there's a 2 before the y squared, I'm going to start by putting 2y in each bracket. Put one of the factors, minus 8, in one bracket, and the other factor, plus 5, on the other bracket. From there, I simplify both brackets as much as I can. So this first bracket, you can divide everything by 2, which I'm going to do to get y minus 4. And the second bracket, you can't really divide by anything, because nothing goes into 2 and 5. So we're just going to leave it as is, and say that's equal to 0. Now the first bracket is equal to 0 when y equals 4, and the second bracket equals 0 when, well, let's solve it. Subtract 5 from both sides, and then divide by 2. So it's when y is minus 5 over 2. But once again, we're solving for x. So now, because we found the solutions for y, we're now going to replace y with 2 to the x, and say that 2 to the x is equal to 4, or 2 to the x is equal to minus 5 over 2. Great. Now 2 to the x equals 4. Well, x is just going to be 2 here because we know 2 squared is equal to 4. 2 to the x equals minus 5 over 2. Now you have to be a little careful here because any exponential curve like 2 to the x, it doesn't cross the x-axis. So it will never be negative. So this actually has no solutions. You don't need to really go further. If you were to calculate it, you'd see that your calculator would say math error. So this is the only solution in this case. Hopefully that will make sense, and if you have any questions with it, just let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like the video if it helped. Please, it means a lot.